Dear viewers, today we will discuss demand for money. Very important topic is the demand for money refers to the amount of money that individuals and business want to hold as a store of value for transactions and for speculative purposes. In economics, the demand for money is seen as an important factor in the determination for the interest rate and the level of economic activity. First is transaction demand. This refers to the demand for money for taking transactions such as buying goods and services. The transaction demand for money is determined by the level of economic activity and the frequency of transactions. Second one is precautionary demand. This refers to the demand for money to provide a safety cushion against unexpected events such as job loss or illness. The precautionary demand for money is higher in uncertain times when people are more likely to want to hold on to a larger amount of money. Third one is speculative demand. This refers to the demand for money as a speculative asset with the expectation of making a profit. The speculative demand for money is higher when interest rates are low or when there is uncertainty in financial markets. The demand for money is influenced by several factors, including the level of income, the rate of inflation, the level of interest rates, and the level of uncertainty in the economy. An increase in the demand for money can lead to an increase in the interest rate as people are willing to lend money at a higher rate when they want to hold on to a larger amount of money. Conversely, a decrease in the demand for money can lead to a decrease in the interest rate.